CBAI.
What's going on? This is Cam Dean with CBAI. Thanks for tuning in. If you've ever had an issue where you're working in SUNO Studio trying to add in additional layers like backing vocals, instruments, and nothing is working, this video should be a little bit of a help for you. Now, what I want to say up front is that the tip I'm going to suggest to you is very rough draft oriented, so if you are later in the process, this might not be helpful. But if you're just finding you're working through some creative ideas and you can't get any farther because SUNO Studio is acting up, or it's giving you some kind of bug, some kind of error where you cannot add any additional layers, this might help you out. So with that being said, I want to jump in there and show you. But before that, if you have not experimented with SUNO and you'd love to start using it, don't forget to use my affiliate link, which is in the description and the pinned comment below. So I'll jump in there and show you this trick. So I'm in SUNO Studio and I have an issue. I was, don't judge my singing too hard, please. But I sung an idea into SUNO, just a quick get my idea in there like this. Okay, and then I got a really great music going in here with these background music. This generation worked, so this is with it and my singing. Okay, and what I was trying to do is put in some backing vocals in here. Also, don't judge this too hard either, please. What I was trying to get for an idea to have a backing jazz choir. Anyway, you get the idea. Didn't really sing it great, but that's what's great about SUNO. You don't have to sing it great, and it'll usually give you something cool. So I have tried literally everything I can think of by highlighting it, using all the context bar, cover, replace, create a new track, create my own, add a new section that way, all kinds of things, and nothing works. It just acts like it's generating and then gives me nothing. And this has been over several days. So this is a workaround I thought through today that might help you if you are really in that creative spirit and you are just struggling to, you want to just keep going with your idea, even if you don't care if it's perfect, right? You just want to test out, add some more layers in there, see what the full track might sound like. So here we go. Get your song and then just export the whole thing as a full song. You can select it if you like, and then go over to export full song. Then it will send it out to your library, so you can click go to song. And then in here, you've got the copy your lyrics might pull through. Then what I would recommend you do is you go to the ... and then you go to remix, edit, and you go to cover. And then really all you're going to do is use the cover feature instead. So I'll show you an example of what I did here because I had one that come out pretty well. Another thing to note before I show you the example is that you will burn through some credits. So I burned through a decent amount, but I did find one that was okay for just getting my ideas out there, thinking things through, like I said. So I liked this one. And so you can see here, I added a few more meta tags into my prompt for my cover. So that might look like this. I'll show you what it really looks like. Pull over, use styles and lyrics. Okay, so I'm on cover. I've picked the music. It's showing up, and then I pasted in my lyrics, which line up roughly to my da-da-da-da-das. And I've added some jazz choir things in there, and I just made a rough structure of a song. And then I've put in my styles here, and then under the more options. So for this particular song, if you look over here, the weirdness was at 20%, style influence was 80%, and audio influence was 96%. I had to play around quite a bit, played around with different variations, different models, etc. But that's what came out, so I'll hit play here and I'll show you what I got out of it. It sounded pretty decent to me anyway.
It's all so good if
our dreams and hopes go so far. I'm just making up lyrics, hoping you'll listen, and that's how the story goes. In every moment I know we're good, it's all so good. If all in our dreams and hopes go so far, I'm just making up lyrics, hoping you'll listen, and that's how the story goes.
Anyway, you get the idea. I'll put a link in the description to this song if you're just curious and want to hear what the rest of the structure sounded like. But anyway, there's a way that you can go in, start playing around, working on layering new instruments into your song. If you can't get nitty-gritty with the SUNO Studio because of whatever reason of not creating stuff, not adding in new layers. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, why don't you give me a subscribe so we can keep putting out more Music AI content. Like the video and share with your friends. Leave a comment. And until next time, this is Cam Dean with CBAI. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you have a good one and take care.